Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Teespring store. First, navigate to the Teespring website and sign up for a free account. You'll need to select a memorable store name that truly represents your brand's identity. After that, make sure to verify your email address to fully activate your new account. This initial step is quick and gets you ready to start selling your custom products online. Now, let's get creative and design your first product. Begin by choosing a product type from the wide selection available, perhaps a classic t-shirt or a cozy hoodie. You can then upload your own artwork or utilize Teespring's intuitive design tools to bring your vision to life. Don't forget to set a competitive selling price to ensure a healthy profit margin for your efforts. Next, it's time to make your storefront truly shine. Personalize its appearance by adding eye-catching banners and your brand's logo to create a professional look. Organize your products into logical collections, making it simple for customers to browse and find what they love. Craft compelling product descriptions that highlight the unique features and benefits of each item, encouraging purchases. Finally, it's time to launch and promote your amazing new store. Share your unique store link across all your social media platforms to reach a broad audience. For an extra boost, consider running targeted advertisements to connect with potential customers who are most likely to be interested. Remember to consistently monitor your sales and gather customer feedback to continuously improve your offerings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.